I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. And as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.
Hey there guys, it's your good old friend Eric from the Action Toys channel, and today our project is going to be an interesting one because what we're going to be working on is this Robin figure from Batman. As you can see, he's missing a hand, which we have right here. Now, the peg was a part of the hand, so hopefully I'm going to have to heat this up in a glass of water. That's been sitting in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now, as we look at this, we see that it's poorly constructed. This is pushed together with no glue or very minor glue. So we're going to see if we can pop it apart, get this peg out, see what we can do to make it better. Okay, let's get to that. First, we'll have to put this and let this set in here for, I don't know, a minute or two. Alright. Haha. Alright guys, we'll be back in a couple minutes. Well friends, we're back. I sourced out a couple of things I thought we might need. But like always, we're always going to need some Gorilla Glue. Please do not get this on your hands. Wear gloves. And yeah, let's just try and practice safety. Do not eat it. Okay. Alright, let's put those down. Okay. Pull this out. And then I'll have to dry it up real quick. Alright, quick enough, I guess. Alright, let's see if we can get this open. We're gonna see if we can pry it. I'm gonna try to not break. Ouch. Not breaking anything. And it doesn't seem to want to go apart. Okay, we got it. Sometimes these projects require a little bit more brute force than I want to give them, so. I really don't like breaking things, but we have to try and separate this. There we go. There's one side. There we go. And as you see, it's just very minimal glue around the edges. Alright, and there was a peg right there that snapped off there, but with a little bit of glue we can fix that up. Okay, we will move our Robin off to the side. We will make note that this piece right here at the bottom is the elbow. Okay, and we'll put his arm like that. Keep orientation. Move him off to the side. Okay. Next part is that we are going to try and... Oh, did it fall out? Oh no. No, it's right here. Okay, good. So now we're just going to want to get this out. There we go. So now this hand is in good shape. Okay, so what we can see is that it goes on like that. Now, it goes like that. Now, this does not leave us a whole lot of room. One thing that I can do is I can put a piece of pin, paper clip, heat it up, push it in, do the same thing again on this side. Okay, glue it on, make a mold. Okay, which you can do very simply with some Crayola putty, you know, just the stuff that you can get at the dollar store. You can literally, all you gotta do is get this back into looking original-ish, glue it back on, push it in, squeeze it around, okay, pull it out, okay, then pull this off, leave that pin on there, okay, bend it a little bit, okay, and then you can put some resin in there. For that, please have an adult do it. You're gonna want to wear a mask and plastic gloves for that. But that's an extensive repair that will hold up far longer than the original did. But this ain't that right now. So what we can do is I will probably find a screw I can put in here that has a similar diameter head to this. Now, what that will mean is that this it might be a little bit more loose, which is probably better, to be honest, because if it's a little bit more loose, that means it's got more play. All right, guys, I'm gonna go look for one of those and see how it goes. Be right back. Well, guys, we're back. I couldn't find my tiny torch, which kind of upsets me, but we're gonna have to find a workaround. So with that, it's gonna come in as this little eyelet. Now, I used to use these for repairing vintage Mutu or Masters of the Universe toys. The vintage figures used to come with a rubber band connecting both the legs through the lower torso, and you know, after about the bands, if they were left in a package, could last 30 years, which a lot of them have, and a lot of them have not. So we got this going. I'm just hoping that we are deep enough. Okay, I'm gonna grab us a flush cutter. Maybe we can reorient so we're a little closer. There we go, much better. Okay, do that. Then we're gonna try and get this flat again. Okay, so this is just a little skinnier than the one that we're gonna put in here. So we're gonna make sure that we do a good job on this. Okay, so there we go. Now, like I said before, I'd use a paper clip. Now the ones I use for things like hands are actually very thick. They're about the same size as this eyelet right here. So if you wanted, you could literally screw this one in, cut it off. Okay, after you, before you finish up your mold, and you glue this piece on to make the mold, the impression, and then you could take that, after you've made that impression, you could take that off, put this in there, fill the impression with your resin, and then put this in there. Give it 24 hours solid at a minimum, and then that'll be as good as factory, if not better. So now that we got this in there, we are gonna do our best to try and get this piece in there. Now it does not have to go as deep as the other one did, but I don't have the greatest dexterity in my hands. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna have to widen this up a little bit. We just wanted to make sure we had a good solid hole. There we go. Okay, let's try and get this. Ouch. Look at that. So now we just got to make sure it's test fitted. That's pretty close right there. Not bad. So now, the one thing I'll always do is that when I clean this up a little bit, pull out these extras. Okay. I tried to stop it from falling. Alright, well, yeah. Okay, let's get this a little tap. We gotta get some of that glue to the bottom. And again, guys, if you're not an adult and you're doing these repairs, I always recommend you wear latex gloves or mechanics gloves, something to keep the glue off your skin, as it can be corrosive and you don't want that. Oh, we're pretty close there. That's pretty good, actually. How about right here? Oh, so it doesn't matter there, but where it matters is right here, okay? And that goes this way. Not bad. Okay. So from the looks of it, we are ready to reattach this. Get out our glue again. Okay. So we're going to put a little bit right here. Just a quick little dab. This is a gel glue. This is my son's figure. So, let's hope he's happy with the result. Okay, so we're gonna need to go, oops. Like I said, don't get that on your fingers. All right, there we go, that way. Okay. Hands kind of sort of there. Okay. Grab that over there. Oops. Oh no, I knocked the hand out. Okay, so we're still a little bit loose. So, knowing that, we can tighten this up a little bit and take this out. See how that works out. Trial and error. Still a little bit on the loose side. Okay, so we can pop this out again. So it fit when the arm was apart, but one side doesn't have that little groove. So let's see how that works. A lot better than that was. I still don't like it. That's still not good enough for me. Lots of trial and error with this. Happens. Now you see what's going on here is that the threads are pushing out the plastic. Now, as this goes deeper, it'll keep doing that just fine by me. And it's still not going to be tight enough from the looks of it. No, see? So there is one other trick I can do. It's not one I like, but it's where I keep the extra tape on these grips. Because I don't like always looking for this stuff. Okay, take that, rip it in half. All right, now we're gonna do this. It's gonna try and give the give the body of the screw some meat for the hand to pinch onto. Okay. Oh, look at that. There we go. As good as new, just about. It is a quick fix, but this is going to my 9-year-old. And let's be honest, if he was good at keeping his toys in one piece, I wouldn't have a channel. Alright guys, I'm pretty happy with that. I hope you don't mind it. Oh, we got a little bit of tape showing right there, but I think we're going to be okay. Alright guys, until next time, stay awesome.